Woo! All right, we're doing a FSD video here, guys.
Like and subscribe.
Oh man.
If we get 100,000 subscribes or likes.
All right, let's see how FSD takes us to Target.
Most people's houses.
All right, let's see how FSD takes us to Target.
You left the garage door open.
Oh God.
Let's see if it works.
Yeah, it's working.
Nice.
Our house is
Alright.
pretty nice.
All right. FSD Beta 10.69.25 taking us to Target. Got the whole family in the car. Take us to Target.
It should go right. That's the better way to go.
You want to go that way?
I prefer that way. I don't like being on
This way?
29. It's always like traffic and wrecks.
All right, well, we'll take the back road and we'll see if it gets down that construction.
Walk to where we can even ride our bikes all the way over.
All right, let's, oh boy. Here we go, construction area. Okay. You got this, you got this.
You're so crazy.
All right. Oh. Okay, that was pretty good. So far, no interventions.
Look, Ben.
No, don't go. Don't go. Don't go. Oh.
It thinks it's a two-way stop.
No, it's okay. It was just creeping. That's fine. That was good.
That was a 0.
It's creeping right there. And now you go.
That was
Go.
like a 3 out of 10.
All right, that was good.
No, that was like a 3 out of 10 to me. Five Guys Burgers.
We're not getting food. Spent $100 in the grocery store.
Yeah, besides, I'm not even that hungry.
We have so much burger meat at the house, dude. We can make burgers for a year.
Of course we do. Every American has like a ton of meat.
I don't know if that's true, Finn.
Well, there's a lot of meat in America.
Yeah, okay, that's probably accurate.
And a lot of people eat meat in America. So that's probably the easiest.
But I would like to eat less beef. Beef is not that good for you.
Look at those gigantic
Especially if you
birds.
are more prone to
At least beef has
colon
protein
cancer.
in it.
That was pretty good.
Yeah, but at least.
All right, we're here. Made it to Target. 0 interventions.
If we did